Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I realized one of the questions you asked me the most is how I lost 45 pounds. Like, how did I get started? What did I do exactly? And how have I been able to keep it off all of these years? I've shared some of my stories here on YouTube and I try to give you guys tips here and there, but to be honest, it's not just my body I've transformed. I've helped transform thousands of women from the inside out around the world. And today can kind of be the start of your story too. I'm about to start my free 8-week spring slim down challenge. And if you've never done a challenge with me before, this is the time. Look at all of these women's incredible transformations from last year's challenge. And here's the thing, last year was only 6 weeks. I've added on 2 weeks to our challenge for this year. So imagine what your results could look like. Throughout the 8 weeks, I'm gonna be sharing all of my secrets, exactly what I did and what you can do to help transform your body and feel your best. But I really wanted to share a little bit more about the challenges, how I structure the workouts and the weeks, why the nutrition component is important, and what you need to do to prepare so that you can be successful and get those results that will last. So first off, just like I said, it is free to sign up for this challenge. All you have to do is click the link in my description down below, drop your email, and when you do, I'm gonna send you everything you need to get started. Plus, I'm sending you a free 2-day detox meal plan and grocery guide. It's gonna help you clean out your cabinets, know exactly what to look for, and make sure you are ready to go. This is a great way to jumpstart weight loss, but also just to fuel your body with amazing spring-inspired foods that will help you feel so good from the inside out. I also know how important it is to find motivation, especially if you're building a new routine. So when you sign up, I'm also gonna send you a free motivational ebook to help get you started with that too. Here's the thing, my programs are different. A lot of trainers or programs out there will be like, here it is, 8 weeks, do it, leave, you're done, figure out the rest, right? I don't want that for you. That is not a recipe for long-term success. Yes, we are gonna get results in these 8 weeks, but I want you to feel that success and maintain your results long after the challenge ends. So throughout our Spring Slim Down Challenge, I'm gonna be walking you through each day, step by step. Week 1, we're really gonna focus on preparing your body for the workouts ahead. So we're gonna be doing an amazing slim down meal plan that is gonna help you feel incredible, but we're also gonna be easing into our workouts more focused on mobility and flexibility on proper form. That is gonna be where it's at. Then weeks 2 through 7, we're gonna focus on different body parts every single week to help you make that mind-muscle connection so you're really in tune with your body. And our final week 8, it's gonna be all about recovery and transition. I wanna guide you from the end of the challenge into the rest of your journey so you can continue to see results and maintain all of the progress you've already made. We're gonna have live classes every single week. Everything you need for your workouts are gonna be in the app, and I'm giving you 21 days free premium access. So if you're a new user, you've never used my programs before, and you're like a little skeptical, I get it, you get 21 days free. So I will send you the link for that when you sign up for the challenge as well. If you guys know my story, you know when I started my 45-pound weight loss journey, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't have a gym membership or access to a trainer or an app or equipment or anything. So my goal is to always make my workouts super accessible to everyone. They can be done at your house, in a dorm, in an apartment, at the beach, in a gym if you want to, but really, truly anywhere with minimal equipment. And I know we're all busy, so the workouts only take about 30 minutes. And if you want to, you can even break that up throughout your day. Your workouts and the fitness component of this challenge are super important because that is what builds strength, but it's also what actually changes your body composition. So if you're looking to change the shape of your body, you want your booty lifted a little bit more, you want your waist to come in a little bit more, you want definition in your arms and shoulders, that's where the workouts come in. Nutrition though is essential because that's where you're gonna be able to see fat loss and also lean muscle being built so you can actually see the results of all your hard work. I'm a sports nutritionist and I work with a registered dietitian when I write all of my meal plans, and the goal of them is to really help transition you from like what most of us have been in, which is like crazy diet culture, into intuitive eating. But what happens is people are like, oh, you should just eat intuitively, but like what does that mean? What if eating intuitively to me is eating ice cream every night? Like that's not gonna be aligned with my goals. So the focus is not on counting calories, it's not on counting macros or any of that, but we give you healthy, nutritious foods and guide you, but it's super flexible. So whether you're making meals at home or you're eating on the go, the meal plans are adaptable to your lifestyle and the foods that you enjoy. So you can get results, but actually fall in love with the process too. One of the most special things about my challenges is all of you. The LSF Fitness community, Team LSF, it is the most inspiring, beautiful community out there on the internet. If you haven't already, search the hashtag Team LSF, put it right here. Search the hashtag, follow it. These girls are amazing and they are here ready to support you every step of the way. Accountability is key and we're all in this together, and to actually have a group of like-minded women who get that, who have been in similar places to where you're at right now in this moment, is such a special thing. And look, I know having a huge physical transformation is a reward enough, but I also get that a little extra motivation never hurt anyone. So I'm gonna be giving away incredible prizes throughout the entire 8 weeks, and I have an insane grand prize for you guys. Our grand prize winners are really comprised of a few different things. It's physical transformation, it's mental transformation, involvement in the community, sharing your story, because the stories that you women share at the end of these challenges truly change me, every single one. It is so beautiful to read what's happened that's beyond just the physical transformation. And our grand prize winner is gonna get a $500 Amazon Fresh gift card to help support you in your healthy routines and goals when the challenge is over, so you can keep pushing strong. A shopping spree to Ownzy, which is one of my favorite activewear brands ever, so you can get yourself some cute new clothes to keep pushing it. You're also gonna get a year subscription to the Love Sweat Fitness app, and I'm gonna be paying for you to get Love Sweat Fitness Plant Protein for the rest of this year as well. So you're gonna be set up to crush your goals and maintain those healthy routines all year long. So if you've been looking for a sign to hit reset on your goals for the year, or you needed a little extra push motivation to actually get started, this is it. It's free. There's so much amazingness waiting for you. Just imagine what your life could look like in 8 weeks. Look at these transformations again. You all look at my story and think it's amazing. It could be your story, and I'm gonna be here to support you every step of the way. So if you haven't joined yet, hit the link down below, sign up to join. If you're in, hit that thumbs up and comment I'm in down below. We start on March 14th. Again, as soon as you sign up, I'm gonna send you everything you need to know to get started, plus the free meal plan and motivation ebook. It's gonna be the best 8 weeks of your lives. I love this. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started with you. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So let's see you in Spring Slim Down.